Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set the clock for this 2013 Renault Megane 3. So firstly we're going to open the radio and including the sat nav. I already done that, and then we are going to use this button over here. This is working like a joystick. Just press up and down, and in the middle press it down if you find the okay thing to change. Firstly, we are going to use the menu settings and go to let's see, already passed. Go to change preferences and then set the clock. So how should time be displayed? It's alright like this. So this is the menu. Over here it's set next. If you want to push that button, this is the button next. And over here you can change the time. Right, done. So thank you for watching and please subscribe.